copy down. Okay, fine. See, just I'll read out the question. A resistor, an inductor, and a capacitor are connected in series with a 120 volt 100 hertz AC source. Voltage leads the current by 35 degree in the circuit. If the resistance of the resistor is 10 ohm and the sum of the inductive and capacitive reactance is 17 ohm, calculate the self inductance of the inductor. Okay, so your job is to calculate the self inductance of the inductor. Okay, so that is nothing but you need to calculate the value of L. Okay, so L is nothing but what? Self inductance. Okay, so your job is to calculate the value of L. So in the given question, if you just go through, so they have given the data of, they have given the value of VRMS, that is the voltage 120 volt they have given, and they have given the frequency, that is 100 hertz, and they have given the value of a phase. Okay, phase difference between the current and voltage, that is phi is equal to 35 degree they have given. Next they have given the sum of the inductive and capacitive reactance is 17 ohm. Okay, so these are the given datas. Okay, your job is to calculate the value of L. Okay, so I think if you just go through, they have given voltage leads the current by 35 degree. Okay, you can just assume which is that. Okay, whether it is a AC applied across an inductor or capacitor or a resistor, just you only decide as you have just gone through the entire chapter. Okay, so now the given data comes out to be as this one. Okay, so just copy down. So this is the value. Yes, Nikhil, angular frequency have to find, then theta value. Why you want to calculate the theta value, man? Okay, so this is the given data. Vrms is equal to 120, f is equal to 100 hertz, phi is equal to 35 degree, r is equal to 10 ohm, and xl plus xc. Okay, sum of the inductive and capacitive reactance comes out to be as 17 ohm. Okay, so now uh, just go I mean just refer this LCR series circuit derivation. Okay, so from that derivation just go through and let me which is the formula you are going to make use. Okay, so which is the formula you are going to make use to calculate the value of L. Okay, so just go through the derivation. I'll just ask any one of you people randomly. Yes, Nikhil, correct. Go ahead. What about the others? Yes, what about Meghana, Harshita, Mamta, Gokul? Yes, Gokul is here. Yeah, Gokul. Which is the formula you're going to make use? Yeah, correct, Nikhil. Yeah, go ahead. See, don't write it as theta, okay? It is phi. Always the phase difference is denoted by the letter phi. Okay, this is the symbol, not this one. Okay, yes, I didn't get a reply from anyone apart from Nikhil. Yes, Josen. Yes, yes, Gokul, Harshita, Josen. I'm not getting a reply from you. I said if I don't get a reply, you will be marked as absent. Okay, fine. This is the formula. Yes, Nikhil, correct. Next, calculate the value of L. Yes, copy down the formula. Just try to calculate the value. Yes, Shajit Ali, correct. Nikhil, correct. Josen, I think the answer is wrong. Just check out. Power you have missed. Power is wrong. Just check out. Yes, what about others? Yes, Gokul. Nandita, just check out the power. Power is wrong. Check out. Others, wrong answer. Meenakshi, power is wrong. Check out. Nikhil, again the power is wrong. Check out. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Yeah, yeah. Sorry. It's correct. Okay, Josen, your answer is correct. Again, Nandita and Meenakshi, Nikhil. Yeah, correct. Correct answer. Okay. So you're going to get 19 millihenry. Okay, correct. It's 1.9 into 10 power minus 2. Correct. Yeah, Mamta, correct. Yes, others check out the answer. Yes, the next step will be this. XL minus XC is equal to R into tan phi. So R value they have given, the value of phi value also they have given, that is 35 degree, right? So calculate the value of XL minus XC then. Yes, I want this answer XL minus XC from Kavya. Kavya, it's your job to get the answer. What is the value of XL minus XC? Just substitute the value of R and just substitute the value of phi. Okay, get me the answer of XL minus XC. Yes, Harshita, you have missed out the power. Check out. Yes, even Rakshita. What about the power? Yeah, Hitesh, correct. Yes, Gokul, correct. Harshita 350. Answer wrong. Which is that answer you're saying? Pratap, correct. It should be 10 power minus 3, okay? Yes, I didn't get a reply from Kavya. Kavya will be marked as absent, okay? Fine. So for today's class, Kavya has been marked as absent. So the value of XL minus XC comes out to be as, see, you have substituted, we have substituted the value of R value is nothing but 10 they have given, and the phi value comes out to be as 35 degree. Yes, Kavya, what is the value of XL minus XC? You have given the answer of L. I want XL minus XC answer. How much did you get XL minus XC? Even the answer what you have given, it's wrong. Check out. Power is wrong. Kavya. Yes, how about Kiran C? Kiran C. What is the value I have got? XL minus XC as? What is the value? Now Kavya, just check out the power there. Yes, Kiran C. XL minus XC value. Yes, Kiran C. The answer is wrong. How about Hafiz? Yes, Mohammed Hafiz. What is the value of XL minus XC? Yeah, correct. So the value of XL minus XC comes out to be as 7. Okay. So in order to calculate the value of tan 35 degree, take the logbook, go for natural tangents. Okay. So you will get the value of tan 35 degree there as how much it is, 0.70, I think, right? So 0.70 multiplied with 10, you are going to get that one as 7. Okay, so XL minus XC comes out to be as 7. So next is nothing but simultaneous equation. Okay, so you need to take XL plus XC, they have given as 17. So XL minus XC, we need to calculate that. That one you have got the value as XL minus XC as 7. So if you simplify this, the XC get cancels. Okay, the XL get add up, and even 17 plus 7 gets add up. Okay, so the value of XL comes out to be as 12 ohm. Okay, so this is the value of inductive reactance. XL is equal to 12 ohm. Yes, after this you are just going to make use of this inductive reactance value. XL is equal to 2 pi FL. Okay, Rakshita R. What is that 7.7? I didn't get that. How about Srijit? Srijit, what is the value of XL? Sorry, XL value is 12 ohm. I want the value of L. What is the value of L I have got? Srijit. Okay, fine. Srijit has just gone out of the meeting. Okay, he'll be marked as absent. Okay, fine. Srijit is absent for today's class. Okay. Next, how about yes, Yashaswini? What is the value of EL you have got? Yashaswini. Yes, Srijit, correct. I didn't get a reply from Yashaswini. See, if I didn't get a reply, you'll be marked as absent. Okay, fine. So the XL value, the L value comes out to be as 19 millihenry. Okay, just copy down. Those are not done. Still, I didn't get a reply from Yashaswini. Okay, she'll be marked as absent. Yes, Kiran C, correct. Okay, fine. So this is the answer. If you're done with this, so just copy down the second question. The question has been displayed on the screen. Yeah, Rakshita, correct answer. Just go through the, just go through the second question, second numerical. Yes, yeah, just I'll read out the question. A series LCR circuit is connected to 220 volt AC source of variable frequency. The inductance of the coil is 5 Henry. Capacitance of the capacitor is 5 microfarad and resistance is 40 ohm. At resonance, calculate the resonant frequency, current in the circuit, and inductive reactance. Okay, so this numerical is based upon the LCR circuit. Okay, and they have given the voltage value as 220 volt, and they have not given the value of frequency. Okay, they have said that the inductance of the coil is 5 Henry. Okay, so the L value is nothing but 5 Henry, and the capacitance value is nothing but C is equal to 5 microfarad. Okay, 10 power minus 6 into 10 power minus 6 farad. Next, resistance value they have given as 40 ohm. So you need to calculate the value of resonant frequency. Okay, at resonance you need to calculate what is the resonant frequency, and you need to calculate the value of I, and you need to calculate the value of inductive reactance, that is XL. Okay, so your job is to calculate the value of XL. Okay, so you have to calculate the value of f naught, that is the resonant frequency first. The sub question A, you need to calculate f naught first. Next, for second question B, you need to calculate the value of I. In the third case, in the C, you need to calculate the value of XL. Okay, so this three you need to calculate. Yeah, just go through the formula, the resonant frequency. What is the formula? Just go through the notes. I think if you get this sub question A answer, it's very easy to calculate the value of B and C. Okay, so just calculate, be ready with your answers. I'm just going to ask anyone randomly. Nikhil, why is that formula, I mean 2 in the numerator there? Check out the formula once. You won't get 2 in the numerator there. Yes, Hitesh, the formula is correct. Yeah, now correct, Nikhil. Now the formula is correct. Uh, just go through. Okay, just substitute. So this is the given data. Does not return the given data. Just go through. Yes, Meghana. Yeah, correct. Yes, Josen, correct answer. So just go through about sub question B and C. Yeah, Shajit, correct. Yes, how about Maulya? Maulya, what is the value of F naught you have got? That is the resonant frequency value. Yes, Maulya. Yeah, Nikhil, go to sub question B and C. Yeah, Josen, correct answer. The answer for B is correct. Just go through for C, sub question C. Yeah, Gokul, correct. Yes, Maulya. Yes, Maulya has left the meeting, so she will be she will be absent for today's class. Maulya, Yashaswini, both are absent for today's class. Okay. So next, how about Vandana? Vandana, what is the answer you have got? The resonant frequency answer. Yes, Nikhil, correct. Yeah, Josen, correct. Good. Yeah, Shajit Ali, correct. Nandita, resonance frequency, wrong. Check out. Yes, I didn't get a reply from Vandana. Vandana, what is the answer? What is the answer for sub question A? Kiran C, check out the answer once. I think you just went wrong in power. I think. Check out. You don't get any power there. Yes, Vandana. I didn't get a reply. Okay, we'll wait for 2 more minutes. We will check whether Vandana is going to reply, or else even she will be marked as absent. Yes, Gokul, correct. Yes, Vandana, wrong answer. Yashaswini, yeah, correct. Okay, so this is the formula you are going to use. The resonant frequency f naught is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi square root LC. Okay, they have given the value of L and they have given the value of C. Just you need to calculate. Okay, so if you calculate the value of this, you are going to get the answer as 31.85 hertz. F naught value is 31.85 hertz. Okay, so this is the answer for sub question A. So next, as you know that at resonance Z will be nothing but equal to R, right? Correct. So Z is nothing but what? It is the resistance offered by all the three L, C, R. Okay. So the current through the circuit comes out to be as. So the formula which is used is IRMS is equal to VRMS divided by R. So VRMS value they have given, R value also they have given. So the answer is the direct answer. So that is 5.5 ampere. Okay. So this is this answer for sub question B. So next, calculate the value of sub question C. So those I have not done. So what is the value of what is the formula you are going to take for sub question C? It is very easy. The inductive reactance, right? They have asked to calculate. So inductive reactance is nothing but denoted by X subscript L, that is XL. Okay. So XL value I think you have just gone through many times in the theory part. So just substitute and get the answer. So this is the formula for inductive reactance. So XL is equal to 2 pi nu L or FL. So in the formula they have given XL is equal to 2 pi FL. Okay, so actually that should be XL is equal to 2 pi F naught into L. So they have asked to calculate the inductive reactance at resonance, right? So F is nothing but the resonant frequency. Okay, F naught, instead of F naught they have given as F, just you make the correction. It should be 2 pi F naught L. Okay, so this is the answer you are going to get. So XL is equal to 1000. Okay, so still we have left out with a lot of numericals. As I have said, the numericals is very important from this chapter. Okay, so still two more classes we will solve the numericals itself on this chapter. Okay, I think I hope that the numericals what we have solved, it has been understood for you people.